Jason here. Welcome back to my knot channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most impressive and easiest paracord projects that you can make, the Trilobite Paracord Bracelet. To begin, we're going to need about 15 feet of paracord. Take the midpoint and attach it to one side of your clasp using a girth hitch. Pass the cord through the clasp from the top, then feed the ends through the loop you've made, and pull it snug. Feed both loose ends through the other side of the clasp. My paracord's a little twisted at the moment, so I'm just going to straighten that out before we begin. It's important to remove the twist from your paracord in order to get a flat, low profile and for the weave to look really good when you're finished. Tie another girth hitch on the right side, and then repeat on the left side. This secures your setup so it's ready for the main knot. Before starting, pass both strands back through the top clasp one more time. This step keeps your cords aligned and your tension even. Okay, so now that we have the 2-strand core set up, let's begin the Trilobite Paracord knot pattern. Your right strand will go over the right outside cord, under the 2 center cords, and then over the left outside cord. Then the left strand goes under the left outside cord, over the 2 center cords, and under the right outside cord. And that's it. Just repeat this sequence. Work your way down the bracelet, keeping your cord straight and free from twists. Cinch each knot snugly, but don't over-tighten. You want the bracelet to be flexible, but not rigid. Okay, so now that the bracelet is nearing the end, let's finish off the bracelet. At the end, make your last knot. Position both strands on the back of the bracelet and trim them to about 1/4 inch. Melt the ends carefully, then flatten them into the back so the finish is clean and low profile. And that's it. Your Trilobite Paracord knot bracelet is complete. Strong, flat, and looking great. Learning knots step by step, this project is a perfect addition to your skill set. It's bold, flat, beginner friendly, and tough enough for both everyday wear and outdoor adventures. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and be sure to check out more lessons in the knot school to keep building your knot skills.